Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to do a quick drawing activity with you called Yes You Can Draw an Ostrich, because yes, you can draw an ostrich, and today I'm going to show you how to do it in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'll be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'll be using my dry erase marker. If you're ready to get started, so am I. Let's begin. So the first thing that you're going to do is towards the top and side of your paper, you're going to draw a circle. Easy. This is going to be your ostrich's head, and we'll add details to this head to make it more ostrichy in just a moment. We're getting the basic shape right now. So once you have your head, you're going to draw two long lines down the middle. This is your ostrich's long neck. And then we're going to make kind of a big oval or football shape. Or an eye, kind of an eye shape. And if you're using a pencil, you can erase some of your little lines so that you can see that it's one big bird, not a bunch of little birds. And then you're basically almost done. An ostrich is not a very hard bird to draw. So it has a big head, it has a long neck, it has a big body, and we're going to go back in here and add some feathers because an ostrich is always also very full of feathers. So I'm going to come down here at the bottom of my big circle, big oval, and I'm going just to make some half ovals, some little feathers down here for my tail. I might even give a couple little layers like this. All right. And we're going to add some tail feathers. So we're going to do kind of some teardrop shapes or a petal, like a flower petal. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All done. Wasn't that easy? It's almost like drawing a little hand. Next, we're going to give our ostrich a wing. So we're going to start just by making a little swoop. See how it's kind of a C on its side? And then we're going to add some little feathers here at the end as well. And we're almost done. We're going to add our legs next. An ostrich has very long legs. We're going to start by making almost a Y shape. So we're going to make a little Y and another part of a Y that connects down here. So straight down, long skinny legs. This is a very big bird with very big wings, but it doesn't like to fly, it likes to run. And then right in behind there, we're going to draw our other leg coming down from the other Y-shaped place. We're going to draw a line because those ostriches have a little knee where it bends right there. And then ostriches have 2 big toes. So an ostrich foot just looks like 1, 2 toes, and it curves back in. I'll show you that again. 1, 2 toes, and it curves back in. We are all done with the ostrich part of with the body part of our ostrich, and now we need to add a couple of details to our face, and then we're all done. That's it. So up here on our face, we're going to draw a triangle that goes in and a triangle that goes out. We're going to erase that little line that's in between and give it 2 little nostril holes. Voila! There's its beak. All we need left to finish this off is our eyes. We need 2 big circles. We need pupils inside our eyes. And if you feel like it, you can give your ostrich some little eyelashes. And there you have it, folks, a baby ostrich. Yes, you can make an ostrich. I hope you experiment, try coloring your ostrich, adding some color. Where does this ostrich live? What is it doing? You can make up lots of stories once you know how to draw certain animals. And it's a lot of fun too. If you enjoyed this video and enjoyed drawing an ostrich with me, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you are already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, click the subscribe button down here at the bottom of the page, and don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope to see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.